want to share with you today the unboxing of the Milwaukee impact driver and grease gun. It comes as a kit or a combo set as they call it, and I'm going to try and share 7 things with you about this little guy, and in the next video I will go into depth about the separate tools in themselves. So this normally takes a little bit longer than what one would like. Alright, so that's pretty cool. This little tool bag is about 500 mils long or 20 inches, and apparently it comes with pretty sturdy build. Yeah, a couple of pockets on the inside. Little tie-in straps on the side. Pocket on either side. Good handle. And a shoulder strap. So that's pretty good. We'll put that away. Alright, so this is the rapid charger. So it can charge a whole range of batteries, and we'll go into depth about the charger next time. It's got a 2-year warranty as opposed to the tool, which has got a 5-year warranty. Alright, well there's the grease gun. Like I said, I'm going to try and tell you 7 things about the grease gun. So it's reasonably compact. This cartridge obviously is as long as a standard 410 gram grease cartridge gun would normally be, and then you've got this additional side there. So you've got about 4 foot of cable, so 1.2 meters of cable there to help you out with getting 2 things. Now it is adjustable. It can do 103 milliliters per minute, or it can do 295 milliliters per minute. So that's adjustable, and that's at 10,000 psi. Okay, so we've got a 1.2 meter hose, adjustable. It's got a metering gauge somewhere, which I assume is that there, and it's got an LED light for you to light up the work if you're that close, and your 2 settings, which is just controlled just there, and then you got a lockout switch there as well. 3.8 kilograms. So that's the grease gun. Pop that in the bag. Very handy. It's got a 90-degree adapter, so if you're in awkward spots, 5 amp hour battery right there. But this is the reason why we bought this guy, and there's part of the combo pack is the second battery, so you got 2 batteries. Flips on just like that. It's got a lockout there. Little LED lights up to show you your way, which is very good. We bought the 3/4 inch version. It gives you more torque than the 1/2 inch by about 500 Newton meters, so that's substantial. It's got a friction lock or on the front, and that's pretty good. It doesn't have that little nib in there, and other than that, weighs 3.8 kilograms. Yep. It's an 18-volt system. It's got the 1-key system, which means you can geo-lock it. You can also adjust it electronically. It's got 4 modes. Its speed will range between 0 and 1,850 revolutions per minute. So the torque ranges from 1,627 Newton meters for tightening, and it's got 2,034 Newton meters for nut busting, as they call it. So, alright, so that's that there. So just to recap, in the pack, rapid charger, 2 batteries that go with that, grease gun, and the impact wrench. And hopefully I've given you some insight into what's actually in this combo kit. And then of course you've got the fantastic bag at the end of the day. If you need something like that, it's all part of the deal. So that in Australia currently was selling for $1,019, which in US would probably be only about about 600 US dollars. But yeah, $1,019 in Australia. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed it. See you next time.